survival are the toughest. The America you see are not easy place. I do it cater for every goddamn race. You have to bust your ass pan 2 and 3 walk. Cause massa, this here dirty tough. Them say Jamaica a land of food and water. And America a land of opportunity. But sometimes it feel just like I say, a source of damn stupidity. This a survival of the toughest. We have to work so hard to pay all our bills. We own a heart desire, we can't even fulfill, much less we talk about kick back, relax or chill. This a survival of the toughest. Me used to hear say, I hear some milk and honey flow, but it look more like say, bust your ass and money go. Cause as soon as you get the lily pay, every penny, it just disappear. No matter how you work from year to year. This a survival of the toughest. The harder you work, and the poorer you get. And on top of that, sometimes you have to fret. Cause rent alone take every dollar you make. Light and phone bill, sometimes you have to left. This a survival of the toughest. Food, that is an everyday sin thing. Rice, flour, and even thin things. Every day the price them gone up. And the little pay you get, it remains such. This a survival of the toughest. If you wanna earn, then at that the time it burn. Cause the money where you make, me say toughest stretch. This a survival of the toughest. Some people don't get a chance to see sunrise or sunset. Cause all them can think about is where them have to make. Picnic for go to school, mortgage for pay, and enough more bills line up in the way. This a survival of the toughest. Family backyard, them not have call, them want name brand, them want baby prom. Some of them even want money for buy land, and some of them want to send them a man, even though say you not have one. This a survival of the toughest. This a survival of the toughest. This a survival of the toughest. And Max Boyd says so, he goes so.